So I just used the CUTCAM. My name is Alex. Great product. I was able to do this whole haircut myself. I feel really good about how it turned out. It's easy to use. This model is just incredible. The camera lines up perfectly with the razor. I used my own phone. It felt very natural to use and to cut your own hair. Even when I'm lining up my neck, I was able to do that myself, which is incredible. It's much better than using a mirror and trying to fiddle with the angles, which you can't really get yourself. The CutCam provides the ability for you to actually get that perfect angle, get that perfect lineup, and to get the exact haircut that you want while saving money.